verse, 35,000 feet in the air, with my feet in the air, reclining like a G in my chair. I'm the shit and I'm completely aware. Tell the chef I like my steak well done, medium rare. Optimistic when they meet me, but they leave in despair. Yeah, I'm too greedy to share. Bust a nut in the mouth, that's a seedy affair. 40 degrees, 51 layers on, but I'm too cold to be switching on the aircon. I'm a rare one, looking homeless mumbling. Got the locals wondering where the fuck they're from. I'm moving bookie in the duty free. I just killed the whole game off, stupid me. Mr. T put the Bruce in Lee. Got these kids fanning out, but they'll never be as cool as me. Sweat.
Sit back and watch the whole clan flourish. Rolled out the womb, rocking gel back mullets. Yeah, my whole fam sluggish. Sheets of acid in her hand luggage. Smell the salted butter in the air. Moonwalking through custom, screaming nothing to declare. Yeah, you can start waiting on the sand now. Lady Luck's a little busy painting on her eyebrows. Caked in foundation, getting wasted on a night out. I just sat yard squirming like a live trout. What? The rejected cast of human traffic. Lately I've been selling DMT to fund my bugle habit. Yeah, that's fucked. Absurdity. I run a side hustle in experimental surgery. Mile-long waiting list for brain amputations, face lacerations and straight strangulations. Man's a maid. I'm rolling to my gates. You roll out the session, tears rolling down your face. Waste. You can see my soul from outer space. And even though I'm older now, I'm still straight dawn.
Dr. Scott coming through like me Johnny Pop. Or do I give a shit? Probably not. I'm not crying, I just eyeball pulled a vodka shot and hobbled off like Oswald Cobblepot. I don't wanna try, I just want the guap and a green jacket. Fuck the tee off like a global star on the chopping block. So cool, sipping iced tea. Holla Spike Lee for the dolly shot. You want nice? Ask George R. Price. Trying to get me face and pop up on porn star sites. Registration closing, sign up quick. I'm 12 inches tall with a 5-foot dick. And choosing complications, I'll be zoning out in future conversations. The only thing I lose is concentration. I fuck me life up and soon the entire human population for a multi-pack of Snickers and a can of Guinness. I was too smashed to finish, flipping like a Paralympic gymnast, so effortless. Your child sports day gold medalist. I carry an egg with a spoon on, at your weight crunching a crouton with no suit on. I just wanna get out of me face and have kids with luxury car names on council estates. I'm not down for debates, you're not the real son. Can't have fun, but
every night my IQ's dropping. Whole crew's out on the balcony plotting. Half stepping with your wife's shoe shopping. Swig a nigger in my coffin. Every night my IQ